Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Asa, perhaps Allah an that Yaj'ala will put bainakum between you wa baina and between allazina those to whom adaitum you have been enemies minhum among them mawadda love. Wallahu Qadir, and Allah is all power. Wallahu Ghafurur Rahim, and Allah is forgiving, most merciful. La yanhakumullah, Allah does not forbid you, anil lazina, from those who lam yuqatilukum fid deen, do not fight you in the religion, walam yukhrijukum min diyarikum, and do not drive you out of your homes, and that tabarruhum you deal kindly, wa tuqsitu and deal justly, ilayhim with them. Inna Allah, indeed Allah, yuhibbul muqsitin, loves those who act justly. Innama, only yanhaakumullah, Allah forbids you, anil lazina, from those who qatalukum fid deen, fight you in the religion, wa akhrajukum, and drive you out, min of diyarikum, your homes, wa zaharu, and sport ala in ikhrajikum, your expulsion, and that tawallahum, you make them allies or friends, waman, and whoever yatawallahum, makes them allies, faulaika, then those whom they az-zalimun, are the wrongdoers. Ya ayyuhallazina amanu, O believers, iza, when ja'akum, come to you, al-mu'minat, the believing women, muhajirat, as emigrants, famtahinuhun, then examine them, Allahu, Allah alam, is most knowing, bi-imanihin, of their faith. Fine, and if alimtumuhun, you know them, mu'minatin, to be believers, fala tarji'uhun, then do not return them, ilal kuffar, to the disbelievers. La hunna, la not hunna, they hillun, are lawful, lahum, for them, wala, and not hum, they yahilluna, are lawful, lahun, for them. Wa atuhum, and give them, but give them what ma anfaqu, they have spent. Wala, and not junaha, any blame, any sin, alaykum, upon you, and that if tankihuhun, you marry them, iza, when ataytumuhun, you have given them, ujurahun, their bridal dues or doer. Wala tumsiku, and not hold bi'isamil kawafir, to marriage bonds with disbelieving women. Was'alu, but ask for, ma, what anfaqtum, you have spent. Wal yasalu, and let them ask, ma anfaqu, what they have spent. Zalikum, that is hukumullah, the judgment of Almighty Allah. Yahkumu bainakum, he judges between you. Wallahu alimun hakim, and Allah is all-knowing, all-wise. Wa in fatakum, and if have gone from you, shayyum min azwajikum, any of your wives, ilal kuffar, to the disbelievers, fa'aqabtum, then your turn comes, fa'atul lazina, then give to those whom zahabat, have gone, azwajuhum, their wives, misla, the like, ma, of what anfaqu, they had spent. Wattaqullah, and fear Allah. Allazi, in whom antum you bihi, in him mu'minun, are believers. Ya Yuhan Nabi, O Prophet, peace be upon him, Iza, when ja'aka, come to you, al mu'minat, the believing women's, yubayyinaka, pledging to you, ala an that la yushrikna billahi shay'a, they will not associate with Allah anything, wala yasriqna, and they will not steal, wala, and not yazneen, they will commit adultery, wala, and not yaqtulna, they will kill awladahunna, their children, wala, and not ya'tina, they bring bi buhtan, slander, yaftarinahu, buhtan, you can say also blame, yaftarinahu, they invent it, baina, between aydihinna, their hands, warjulhinna, and their feet, wala, and not yasinaka, they will disobey you, fi maroof, in the right, fabayihun, then accept their pledge, wastaghfir lahunna Allah, and ask forgiveness, seek forgiveness for them from Almighty Allah. Inna Allah, indeed Allah, Ghafurur Rahim, is forgiving, most merciful. Ya ayyuhallazina amanu, O believers, la tatawallaw, do not make allies common of a people, ghadib Allah, the wrath of Allah alayhim is upon them. Qad, indeed, yaisu, they despair, min al-akhirah, of the hereafter, kama, as yais al-kuffar, the disbeliever despair, ashabul min of ashabil qubur, the companions of the graves. Sadaqallahu Mawlana al-Azim.